Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of my channel. So today's video is on a cut crease eye look tutorial. So I want to show you guys how I usually do it. It's not like my cut crease, okay, it's not like my skills are like 10 over 10, but I feel like I know the gist of it. I can get around it. I kind of mastered my skill, so I feel like let me show you how I usually do it. So if you are interested in knowing how I usually get that amazing look on my eyes, keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows and then I go ahead and do my eyes. But the thing is, today I'll just show you guys how I do the eyes and the eyebrows, and then I'll go off camera, do my face, and then come back and show you the end results. So let's get started. So all the products I'll be using will be in the info section below. If you're interested in knowing what I use, just click the info bar and yeah, everything will be there. So I'm using a concealer to clean my eyebrows, and it comes from this eyeshadow palette that I used before. I think I've talked about it in a previous video, and I think it's like 3 or 4 shades lighter than me, but it's okay because I feel like I want something that is almost close to white, off-white, to be able to set my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Yeah. I've set my eyes with a loose powder, my Sacha Butter Cup loose powder, so that acts as a base for my eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm going to start off with this brown shade. It looks kind of orange, but it's brown. I'm going to start off with this brown shade as my transition color. I'm going to go with this green shade for my crease area. Once I'm done with the crease, I now go ahead to make my cut crease. Yeah, so as you can see right now, my crease is darker. It's dark. Yeah, it's really dark because I really want it to be defined. So at this point is where I do the cut crease. So you need a brush that's really precise so that it helps you to make that crease with your concealer. My brush is really small and precise, so it will help me draw my cut crease with my concealer, like so. The brush is angled, so this area helps me draw the cut crease. And another thing is, if you want to know where exactly to draw your cut crease, just use your concealer and start drawing, and then as you making the line, keep on blinking so that you know exactly where your cut crease should be. So if you blink and your concealer transfers, it means that you need to extend your line up to where the concealer has extended, like so. I have my concealer extending up until this area on this mark, so that's where I'm going to, you know, extend my cut crease, if it makes sense, I hope. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. And as you can see, you can still see my green color or my green shade on my crease on top of the concealer. Yeah, so for my crease color, I'm going to go with this green shimmery color. Again, for this part, you need a brush that is really precise. So my brush looks like this, so it will help me apply the color on top of my concealer. So I'm going to repeat the same steps on this other eye, and I'll be back. Done with this other eye, so I'm going to use my eyeliner to make. And then my mascara. So I'm done with my eyes. I'm going to do my face and then I'll be back. So this is pretty much it. I love the look, I love the results, I love how it came out, and I feel like this look, especially for the eyes, is really bold, and I feel like it suits events like weddings, or you know, events that you need to put much more effort and, you know, have a good face bit. So I feel like you should consider it for such kind of events. The thing is, practice makes perfect. It doesn't come easy, it doesn't come in one day, but with practice, I promise you, it's gonna come through. And for me also, it's not like I knew how to do it in one day. I've just been practicing it over and over again, and I still do it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what exactly you like or what you didn't like and whatever, you know. So up until the next video, bye bye. I'm just in love. I'm just in love with this look. Like, on a serious note. Bye bye.